One day.
Wow.
And we also did the countertops.
What'd you do to them?
We reconditioned them.
Polish?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
They're sparkling.
Yes, ma'am.
Feel good too.
Yes, it's nice and smooth. Yeah.
You know, that's the thing.
It feels great. You see how smooth it feels? Put a nice sealer on there.
Wow.
Thank you. Yes, ma'am. Come on, look through here. When a customer say wow more than 3 times, then let me know I did something good.
Well, you know they had dog scratches all over.
Yep.
You know, it's kind of been lived in hard. Wow, that looks great.
Thank you.
I've kept the base, you know, the quarter round.
And that's a good thing about our process. We don't have to remove the quarter rounds.
Wow.
Yep.
How do you do that?
With the screen or recoat. Yes, ma'am. When you sand it, you have to remove the quarter rounds.
Yeah.
That's why people love my process. If I can't save all floors,
Right.
but for this floor, they're moving out. They don't need to change the color.
Yeah.
It was just really worn,
Yeah.
and we just bring it back to life. And like you said, one day.
How you get the corners?
We do those by hand. Yep.
Well, this looks great.
Thank you.
That looks really great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, so we are in Brookhaven, and these are the floors we're going to be doing. The main floor, you see a lot of wear on the main floor. You got this room right here. We're going to be doing some color correction right there. This room right here, all right. Throughout the kitchen. This whole area right here, but we're going to start upstairs first, and this area right here. So guys, if you look, you see a lot of scratches and scuff marks. So this floor is going to look really, really good when we're done. And then let me show you what I'm doing to the stairs. All right, so we're pulling these up right here. You can see this tape adhesive is holding these stairs down. So what I'm doing, using a razor blade, a little putty knife, and some adhesive remover, and that's kind of shaving this stuff off. There we go. Yep, shaving this stuff off. Let the adhesive do its job. All right, you see that? So this is the good thing about making sure you got everything in your van that you need at all times. It's the one thing I teach my students. Always have more than enough, and always have what you don't need. Because when you need it, you don't want to be scrambling trying to find it. So, so that's a good sign, guys, getting this off without damaging the stairs. So we're just going to continue all the way down. Let me be careful because that is slippery. Here, here, and here. And then we got these nice sized closets. All right, guys, go ahead and get to it. Nothing to it but to do it. Stay tuned. All right, guys, putting down the coating. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Floors look immaculate, came out amazing. Countertops look amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Two closets. All right, guys, this is what we do at Truman. All right. Look at that view from up here. Oh, that's beautiful. All right, the stairs. Remember all that residue we got off the stairs? Those stair, the little adhesive things that hold it down. Got that off, screened the stairs, recoated the stairs. Main floor looks amazing. Again, look at those countertops. Woo, man. All right, great job, T.
Did good?
Yes, sir. T rode the whole downstairs by himself. No lap lines. Floors look amazing. Wow, look at that, guys. Nice satin finish. Satin is actually my most popular finish. A lot of people don't like really shiny floors. Plus, it makes the floors look really natural. Also, we did this. I cleaned this counter and buffed this countertop as well. Oh yeah, this looks so good. So good. Client's gonna be very, very happy. And again, guys, this is why we come highly recommended. All right, all right, all right. Oh, check out this color correction. Check out this color correction. Boom, boom. One of my specialties. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.